Installing the linked units. Turn the heating system off at the main electrical panel. Loosen the bottom screw and remove the CT230 faceplate from the wall plate. The screw cannot be completely removed. Connect the wall plate to the load, heating cables, and to the power supply. Note the CT230 linked units can operate on different voltages in the same setup. Install the wall plate to the electrical box using the provided screws. If not already done, affix the provided terminal sticker to the wall plate. Insert the wires not included through one of the two openings on the wall plate and connect the CT230 linked units together in a daisy chain configuration. Reinstall the faceplate on the wall and tighten the screw. Access the on-off switch by sliding the CT230 door upwards and place the CT230 linked unit on